Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I do fashion and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified when your girl uploads a new video, because by the end of this video you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head and you want to keep up with your BFF, because yeah, we're gonna be tight like that. So make sure you hit that bell. For today's video, I want to do a fun video about how I made this really cool background here behind me. I always like to look for different cost-effective ways to make different backgrounds for my videos, for my online store, for my Instagram, all that stuff. So all of the products that you see behind me, all this stuff is from the Dollar Tree. Of course, you can always get it from Hobby Lobby or Joann's, but it was much cheaper at the Dollar Tree, of course. If you want to see how I made this bomb background, then keep watching. So I purchased these little leaf garlands. I guess that's what they're called. That's what I'm going to call them. These here. And I bought about, I think 6, 7, 8 of them, a couple of them, something like that, to post up here on my wall. These from Dollar Tree, these are $1 a piece. You can also get something like this at Hobby Lobby or like Joann's, but it is going to be a little bit more pricier, but it is a little bit fuller than this one, so I did kind of have to double up because they're a little scrawny, as you guys can see, but they do the job for what I'm using it for. So you're gonna need something like this. Usually kind of eyeball it as far as like the amount of space that I do between it. It just depends on like what kind of look that I want. So if I'm just gonna be doing a video where I'm just sitting down in front of you guys and talking, I'm not gonna make it as long as I would do if I was taking pictures for like my Instagram or for my online store. So first I'm gonna show you guys an example of just if I was just sitting down talking to you guys. It for that one. So what I'm going to do is just bring my camera closer for a tighter shot, because again, you know, it's not like a full body situation. So get the light, boom, and there you go. I have this nice little leafy aesthetic going on in the background. Boom, boom, yes. So yeah, that was pretty easy. So now I'm going to show you guys an example of what I would do for like a full body like backgrounds. What it looks like. That's the top to bottom, and you remember you can like crop out the sides here, so you don't really, that part really doesn't matter as you don't have leaves and stuff there. But again, you can buy extra to make it wider if you want, but for me this worked out for me because all I had to do was just kind of crop out the photo and stuff. But you can go in and kind of tuck the long parts in like this, just kind of wrap that around. Boom. And there you go. If you want to get a little fancy, you can get some flowers. I bought these from Dollar Tree as well. Flowers, and cut them up and also wrap them around here to add a little more fullness and a little color to this. So we're going to do that right now and see how it turns out. Added the flowers to it, and I have my little faux fur rug down here just to help out with the aesthetic when I take my pictures and stuff. And of course I crop out the sides and all that good stuff like that, so you don't really see that, but it's just all about this part. So yeah, so when I zoom in, boom, have a nice little aesthetic for my background, for my videos, for whatever that I need it for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys try it out. You can do so much with this. Like, you can add different color flowers. It's just the possibilities are endless. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, I got everything from the Dollar Tree. I will link, well, not link, but I will tell you guys in detail everything that I got and all that stuff in the description box below, everything I use for this video. Yeah, so don't forget to check out my social media networks, shop my online store, shop Not Your Average Mama, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.